Are you grappling with the overwhelming task of managing your finances? You're not alone. The world of money can be complex and intimidating, but it doesn't have to be. Today, we delve into the art of budgeting, a practical step-by-step guide to mastering your money, specifically tailored for the Indian context. Step 1. Understand your income and expenses. This is the bedrock of budgeting. It's about knowing how much money you have coming in and where it's going out. It's about tracking your expenses and understanding the difference between your needs and wants. Step 2. Prioritize your needs. This is where the 50-30-20 rule comes into play. It's a simple yet effective guide for budgeting. Allocate 50% of your income to essential expenses, 30% to discretionary spending, and the remaining 20% to savings and debt repayment. Step 3. Create a budget. Once you have a clear understanding of your income and expenses, it's time to create a budget. This is your financial blueprint, a plan that will guide your spending and saving habits. Step 4. Look for ways to earn more money. This could be through a side hustle, investing, or even saving on everyday expenses. Every penny counts when it comes to budgeting. Step 5. Avoid credit cards. While they can be convenient, they can also lead to a cycle of debt if not used responsibly. Instead, consider using debit cards or cash for your transactions. Step 6. Learn from others. There's a wealth of knowledge out there from people who have been in your shoes. Seek advice, learn from their experiences, and apply their wisdom to your own financial journey. To summarize, budgeting is not just about crunching numbers. It's about understanding your financial landscape, making informed decisions, and taking control of your money. It's about prioritizing your needs, planning for the future, and building a strong financial foundation. Remember, the journey to financial freedom is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time, patience, and consistency. But with the right tools and mindset, you can master the art of budgeting and pave the way to a secure and prosperous future. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. We'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences on budgeting, so feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, keep budgeting and keep growing.